Welcome to Pamukkale, meaning Cotton Castle. In Turkish, this is a sight to behold. These stunning travertine terraces, formed over millennia, resemble a frozen waterfall. The mineral-rich thermal waters, supersaturated with calcium carbonate, cascaded down the hillside, creating these breathtaking formations. The thermal pools, ranging from 35 to 100 degrees Celsius in temperature, have been used for centuries for their therapeutic properties. It's like bathing in nature's spa. Dripping slowly down the mountainside, mineral-rich waters collected in and cascaded down the mineral terraces into pools below. Touching the travertine formations, which are constantly regenerated by thermal waters, is believed to have therapeutic benefits. Perched atop the travertine terraces is the ancient city of Hierapolis. This Greco-Roman city, founded in 190 BC, offers a glimpse into the past. The city became a healing center where doctors used the thermal springs as a treatment for their patients. Pamukkale and Hierapolis were added to the list of UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1988. To protect this natural wonder, much of Pamukkale is now under preservation. By following the designated paths and respecting the fragile ecosystem, we can ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at its beauty.